Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Alright guys, I talk about a lot of wallets on this channel, so I think it's about time I talk about the Damascus Steel Ridge wallet. Let's check it out. Alright guys, just so you know, this isn't going to be an in-depth review of how the Ridge wallet works. This is basically my 5th Ridge wallet video. At this point, I'm just reviewing the different types of materials that they come with. But if you guys want a more in-depth breakdown of how the Ridge wallet works, I'm going to put a link right above here to one of my other videos. Go check that out, and then come back here and check out the Damascus Steel Ridge wallet. Alright, so it comes in this very familiar white box, so let's break this bad boy open right now. Sticker, and then just an insert of other products that the Ridge sells, as you can see right here. But I'll put all this to the side right now, and there it is, the Damascus Steel Ridge wallet, still in the case. And I'm just going to say this right now, this wallet is absolutely stunning. Look at this thing in the light. It is absolutely beautiful when you see it in person. And just like every other Ridge wallet, it does come with a screwdriver. You can see this is the version with the money clip. It also comes with a money strap, and that's the main reason they give you the screwdriver. You can take these little screws off here and you can switch this out for whatever model you want to. Cash strap, money clip, or if for whatever reason this elastic gets frayed or breaks or whatever, you can actually replace that. They do sell replacement parts on the Ridge website. But that's enough of all that. So let's just take a look at this Damascus Steel. And as you can see, it's very highly reflective. And it has some weight to it. For me, the Ridge wallet, when I put it in my pocket, I can barely tell it's there. When I carry this thing, you can tell it's there. But the main draw to this wallet is this material. Look at this steel. I try to get the light just right so you guys can see this pattern. Now, I'm just a guy who likes reviewing wallets on YouTube. I am not a steel expert, and I've said this before with other wallet reviews. I'm not a carbon fiber or titanium expert. I'm just a guy that likes reviewing these things. So I can't tell you too much about how this Damascus Steel wallet is made, but I can look it up on the Ridge website. I'm going to read to you their description of this. It says, our Damascus wallet is created with a forge welding technique that blends steel and iron slices together in an attractive finish. They're not lying. The hot metals are drawn out and folded to create the pattern welded designs known as modern Damascus. So this is basically steel and iron folded together multiple times to get this look, and it is absolutely beautiful. And yes, it's still a Ridge wallet, so it holds between 1 and 12 cards. It does have RFID protection. You got the money clip back here to stuff cash or whatever you want to in that little clip here. Or if you opt for the cash strap, does the same exact thing. And it is backed by Ridge's lifetime warranty. All right, but I'm gonna put some cards in here just to see how it feels. Yeah, it feels just exactly like every other Ridge wallet I've demonstrated in the past. So that's one card, and that's how thick the Ridge wallet looks with 7 cards is what I carry on an everyday basis. And they say it goes up to 12 cards, and there it is. That's what it looks like with 12 cards in there. This with 12 cards with this Damascus Steel, yeah, it does have some weight to it. I'm gonna weigh this right now just to see how much this thing weighs with these 12 cards in it. Of course, this isn't too official because these are just demonstration cards. They're actually a little thicker than normal, but I just want to see what it weighs with those 12 cards in there. What does it say? 5.7 ounces. And let's see what it weighs with nothing in there. Says it weighs 3.3 ounces. So it's not terribly heavy. It just feels a lot heavier than if you carry the carbon fiber or even the aluminum Ridge wallet. All right, so let's talk about my honest feelings on this wallet. So is it an everyday carry for me or anybody else really? And I would have to say, no, it is not an EDC wallet. All right, this is a wallet with premium materials and it comes with that premium price tag. This thing goes for $295 on the Ridge website. So would you consider a $295 wallet an everyday carry? In my book, absolutely not. For a guy like me who sees and reviews a lot of wallets, this is right up there with one of the most premium wallets I have ever seen. And I have never lost a wallet in my life, ever. Being $295, I would put my cards, my money in this, put in my pocket, and it would just magically just drop out somewhere and I would lose it. That's how I feel about it. I know that's absolutely ridiculous. That's just my luck. That's why I don't consider this an EDC wallet. I'd be too afraid to damage this thing at work, just going to the store and bumping into something. And don't get me wrong, Damascus steel is incredibly strong. I mean, it's basically steel and iron folded together multiple times to make this kind of material. So that's not what I'm saying, but if for whatever reason you bump into something at work and dent it, you're going to be pretty damn mad because you paid $295 for this thing. And with that kind of price tag, it's taking 98% of the average consumer looking for a wallet right out of the mix. Because if I'm just looking for a wallet, I'm not looking for a $295 Damascus steel wallet. I just want something to put my cards into and it's functional. Now, who is this wallet for? I'd say for the 2 or 3% of the people that are in the market for this kind of wallet. They're looking for the best of the best to keep their currency in. Say, for example, you have a job that requires you to take clients out for business dinners. You're not going to pull out your cash or credit cards wrapped in a rubber band. No, you want to pull something like this out of your pocket and just wow everybody in the room. This thing does have that wow factor, that's for sure. All right, so let's talk about what I do like about the Damascus Steel Ridge wallet. I mean, it goes without saying, the actual steel itself is gorgeous. Just look at the designs and the patterns on this. And it's almost guaranteed you're never going to see two the same. Just because of how this thing is made, it's forged and it's folded over. You're never going to see the same patterns in any two Ridge wallets. Next, as much as I love my minimalist wallets and I like how light they are, I don't mind the little bit of weight that this thing has given me. And even though 3.3 ounces doesn't seem like a lot, in a small form factor like this, yeah, it does have some weight to it. And next, it's a Ridge wallet. I mean, it's very, very familiar to me. I love the minimalist design that the Ridge wallet gives you, and you're gonna get this with any of the versions, the aluminum, the carbon fiber, the titanium, the forged carbon fiber, and now the Damascus steel Ridge wallet. Because this design is so minimal, it's basically the exact width and length of a credit card. That's why I love this wallet so much, and I say it's still the best minimalist wallet that you can buy right now. All right, what don't I like about this? Because of the material and how shiny and glossy it really is, you can see it's going to be a fingerprint magnet. As soon as I start touching it, look. I don't know if you guys can see it, if it's coming through on camera. That glossiness leaves fingerprints all over it. And yeah, that's a very minor gripe, but some people might look at this and say, oh man, it leaves too many fingerprints. You can see it all over. But 99% of the time it's gonna be in your pants pocket anyways, so that's not really a dislike. I'm just letting you guys know, if you guys do get one of these, that's one of the things to look out for. It's a fingerprint magnet for sure. And honestly, that's about it. This wallet is one of the most premium wallets I've ever held in my hands. If you guys are looking for that premium wallet and looking for something minimalist but still extremely functional, you guys might want to take a look at the Damascus Steel Ridge wallet here, because it's still a Ridge wallet just with some premium materials at a premium price tag. And I will leave a link below to where you guys can pick this bad boy up for yourself. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the Damascus Steel Ridge wallet? As I already stated, this is one of the most gorgeous wallets I have ever held in my hands. And in my opinion, it's just not an everyday carry wallet, at least for me. It's for special occasions. But hey, that's just me. I'm sure there's guys out there that say, no way, man, that's an everyday carry for me all day long. And more power to you. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!